Black princesses are on their way to represent Ghana at the FIFA Under-20 Women's World Cup in Colombia. This will be the 7th time our princesses will be representing Ghana on the world stage, and so they need our maximum support as Ghanaians. These are the 21 selected players to represent Ghana at this global showpiece.
Goalkeepers are representing Princess ewa Colombia Afi Amanyoku, Jena Sapon, Najad Abdul Salam.
A sweeper, last in the line of trust, cleans up dangers with a thrust. A symphony of skill and art in every role as they play their part. Our defensive setup includes Comfort Iyabua, Sarah Koulibaly, Habiba Issa, Hannah Nyame, Alexandra Emefate.
Our midfield maestro, the vision is clear, connecting play both far and near. Now to represent us are Wasima Mohammed, Asana Al-Hassan, Helen Alomenu, Beline Yaku, Veronica Bakuma, and Stella Nyamiche.
Forwards rush with blazing speed to score the goals their team will need. Crossing paths with perfect stride to lead the attack are Mefia Nyame, Mary Amponsa, Salamatu Abdullahi, Jennifer Dawa, Jennifer Ousua, Mercy Atobra, Tracy Chum.